another Sketch Artist Fridays. Yes, it is Sketch Artist Fridays. And this week's Sketch Artist Friday video is all about some amazing Dollar Tree art books that teach you how to draw and create some new things. So I hope you're excited about this video. This is going to be a fun video for all you beginner artists. It's beginner artist friendly, and people who love drawing and creating things, you're going to love these books. They're only at Dollar Tree, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get this video past 100 likes, and let's like this video, like this channel, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget, my name is I am DD Scraps. My life is a craft artist. Let's start creating some art. Guys, back to school is around the corner. I hope you guys had a great summer. Hope you're excited for learning. If you're going to back to school, to elementary school, middle school, high school, graduate school, college, art school, music school, cooking school, I hope you have fun drawing and creating and having fun learning no matter what you do. I'm so excited to do this video because I went to Dollar Tree and I thought to myself, I want to learn how to draw some things. And these are some simple, very creative ways to learn how to draw. These are some really beginner-friendly books that I bought from Dollar Tree for $1.25. I have a lot of them right here. So we're going to go over these books. We're going to have fun, look at every cover, and see why I picked these books out to learn how to draw. And I have an announcement in my next video when I'm going to talk to you about art school and have fun learning how to draw. So I bought these books for myself, but you can buy these for your kids, your grandkids, your neighbors, or just to have for a reference. It's so much fun to learn how to draw, right? All right. So comment down below if you really like art, if you really like going back to school for art. I would like to know that question. If you're going back to school, that would help me out a little bit. So let's get started on these books that I found. I found a lot of these books. Some of them over here is at the same company. And I bought two of the same because I thought it was a cute cover. And sometimes the cute cover just draws you in. I'm really excited. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let's talk about drawing. So let's show ya. All the books I got in the same company. See the beautiful colors? The company is called Creative Teaching Materials. Let's Draw Dogs and Cats. Let's Draw Big Machines. Let's Draw Jungle Animals. And Let's Draw Dinosaurs. So comment down below if you like dinosaurs. Comment down below if you like wild animals, jungle animals, or you like big machinery, or you're into dogs and pets and animals. So let's get started. I'll show you a few pages in each book, and this is such an easy way to get you started for you kids out there, or kids at heart like me, to learn how to draw. I'm so excited because I love a good art book. I love even as simple as one as these are. So let's start out with dinosaurs right here. Let's get excited and show this book up close and personal. A few pages. This is the cover right here. I think it's wonderful to show you the cover. This is a cute drawing of a really amazing animal that used to live on Earth. So it's just easy tear out pages. And let's show you a few pages in this book. And it shows you step by step. I love a book that still shows step by step, if I can talk. So 1, 2, and 3. So let's open the cover and show you what we can see. In each of these books, it starts out with what a title is. Let's Draw Dinosaurs. And then it goes on tips and tricks to teach you how to learn to draw. And don't be afraid to erase, because I erase a lot. Get your pencils and pens and crayons out. Every student of art should have pencils, crayons, markers, color pencils, coloring books, or even a good sketchbook. You should have or pens or markers to help you out. So this is what it looks like. This is the name of the company. This is the very first page. Let's do a few of them that I might want to show you here that you might want to see. Let's do the very first one at least right here. So this book shows you how to pronounce the word, which is really cool. Look at this. This is like step 1, step 2, step 3, and then you're over with 4 and 5, and then they have a practice sheet for you guys to draw on. So cool. Let's do a few more in this book. This is cool right here. This is a nice one right here you can look at. And let's skip ahead and show the ones I really like. Like I remember what page it's on. Oh, I like this one right here. This reminds me of a Land Before Time story. Those stories of a cartoon back in the day. If you love dinosaurs, you know what I'm talking about. Or the Disney movie called Dinosaur. Really good movie, you guys. I recommend that as well. So let's move on to the next book. So I won't bore you to death. But drawing dinosaurs are fun, right? Right. To three books I want to show you. So let's start with, which one do you pick, you guys? What do you want to see next? Well, let's do cats and dogs last. Let's go to jungle animals right here. Let's pick this one up and show you. This is what it looks like. And what's your favorite jungle animal if you have one? I don't know. It shows you the same thing in the cover. My favorite jungle animal is obviously a couple of things, if you don't know by now, is a turtle. I drew turtles back in the day, and this is an easy way to learn how to draw a turtle. I love this. So let's show you a couple pictures in this book. And hippopotamus is really cool. But let me show the one. Oh, one of my favorite animals is also a beautiful elephant. I think they're wonderful, and I like seeing them. I saw them at the zoo one time. They were cool, and I gotta show you a few more in this one that I really like. So hopefully you guys have fun. Give me a thumbs up and like this video. And I'm trying to get someone I really like that I think is, oh, I do like a giraffe. They're really hard to draw too. Look at this little step right here. And it's really cool to learn how to draw a giraffe. So, but my favorite one of all in this book is butterflies. I'm drawing a butterfly. I'm writing a story and a poem about butterflies. So I love it so much. All Aflutter. Love that title. Butterfly. This is a monarch butterfly, and this is so hard to draw, you guys. I did draw butterflies in the past, and this is a simple way to learn how to draw it. And a practice sheet. You don't have to draw in here if you don't want to. You can get a separate sheet of paper. So that's what I'll show you for this book. I love it. There's some other ones in here that you can look at. I'm going to just go through it, and so we can move on to the next one. But yay, Jungle Animals are done. 2 more to look at in this Create-Up teaching materials book. And it's so much fun looking at the titles of the books, right? And the covers, look at the cute little bear with the pencil. That is hilarious. And then you have a dog with a pencil. Oh, that's funny. They all have pencils. I didn't realize that in this series. So let's go machineries. Big machinery. Let's look at a couple in here. I love nice machinery, as you can see. I like a cab. If you need a cab, they're cool. Sometimes they'd be trying to cheap drive your money, but that's another story. But this is how to draw a simple old school cab. I can talk. And then the submarine, really cool. There's a picture I liked in here. Which one did I like? I'm just gonna go to the ones. Helicopters are cool. I love the steps. I love the shapes of the circles and squares and triangles. That's cool. And then I do like a Jeep, but Jeeps are so cool, right? I've driven. I sat in a Jeep, not driven, but I think they're really cool. And also a cop car. Those are cool. If you hope you don't go in one of those. But anyways, but this is how to make your what is this called? Oh yeah, it's for your concrete. So mix it up. That's really cool. But I don't think I have a drawing that I really like in here. That's kind of not right. But that's all right. We'll learn how to draw it anyway, so I love it. This is a tugboat. No, yes, I do found one. I love sailing. I've been on a boat a couple times, so I went out to a lake and I saw this beautiful boat, and we got on it. I was the only one with a life jacket on, which I thought was funny because I'm scared of water. But I love this sailing. I think it's fun if you want to be on a boat or yachts. Yachts are cool. So I think we're done. I don't do planes. So this is all I want to show you in this book. So go to Dollar Tree and have fun finding some really good art books for your kids or for yourself. And have fun drawing, you guys. So this is what it's done. Big, big machines. Not least, this is Let's Draw Dogs and Cats. That got really hyper. I love the dog. Every last one of these have pencil. I didn't realize that. But comment down below. Who likes dogs? Who likes cats? Why you like dogs, why you like cats, or you don't like either. There's a lot of pets in here, so I think it's just dogs and cats. But I could have sworn there's more than that in here, but no, there's just dogs and cats. So the title says dogs and cats. So okay, Scotty Terrier, cool. This is a cool dog. This reminds me of a Lady and the Tramp, that little doggy in there. So this is a little shape right there, and you go to that shape. Sometimes I don't even do the shapes. I just go right to the final drawing, and that's not right. You shouldn't be doing that. You should do the whole step by step and then go to the final drawing. But I do look at the final drawing a lot to see what it's supposed to look like. But it always has the package drawing right here. And then snow. This is in the snow. It says it's a husky. Siberian husky? Yeah, these are really cool. I love these dogs. Kind of like woofs. And then the little circle all the way down. Look at the little paws. That's so cute. So that's really cool. And then the little beagle. Let's show you the beagle. And then the poodle, step by step. And then you have a dachshund. No, a dachshund. You have a Dalmatian. And then a collie. That's really cool. And then you have a greyhound. And then a shepherd. German shepherd. And then bulldogs. The bulldogs are cool. We have a contest called the Ugly Blue Dog in our state. Bernard, St. Bernard. And let's get to the kitties. I'm like, come on, I'm a kitty girl. So I just love the cats. This is a cute cat. And this is a fun way to learn how to draw a cat. So let's get the tabby cat. That's what I really like the most. More popular cat is a tabby cat. This is a cool cat right here. Persian one. Calico cat? That's what it's called. I think it's calico. Yeah. Cool. And then I think Tabby's last. Siamese cats. I love Siamese cats. Remember this in Lady in the Tramp? We are Siamese, if you please. Don't. We are Siamese. If you don't, please. Love that part. Those cats were terrible, tearing up the whole house, blaming on Lady the dog. So cats are kind of like that. Here's a tabby cat. Cool. This is one I drew before. Kind of a cat like this with little stripes. So, and at the end it shows you the dog. Good night. And then we're done with this series of books. Let's move them over here so we can move on to the next series of books I want to show you that are fun. Have fun drawing, you guys. I know you will this year. So let's move on. This is so cool. I love these simple art books. We got some more art books from Dollar Tree. These are the other ones I want to show you. They're called I Draw. Look at this. I Draw Pets. I Draw Farm. I Draw Sea Life, because I did 2 Sea Life. I told you that at the beginning of the video. I had 2 different covers, and I thought they were cool. So let's get started with all these books. Let's see which one we're going to pick first. Let's go up and see. Let's do Pets first, right over here. Right, doggy? Woof, woof. Let's take a good look at this cover. I Draw for Beginners. Is this beginner friendly? Not my opinion, but I'm learning how to draw still. I don't know why I can't get the drawing concept right, but we're gonna get it. I'm gonna make sure I get it. So this is what the cover looks like. This cute little dog, and it says easy step-by-step tutorials. I hope it is. This is step 1. This is the cover. Let's go see a few of these beautiful, artworks. And this is a real simple one. Real simple. I'm talking about simple. So it shows you right here the shapes of different fishes right here and little critters like a troll. It's like a circle, triangle, square. This is very simple for us people who don't know how to draw. And it helps you realize how everything has a shape in it. And then right here is create an awesome drawing. You'll only need a few things. So pencils, crayons, color pencils, paper. You can have markers if you want to, or other things you might want to use. You need an eraser as well. And it shows you how to practice right here. So cool, right? I love practicing art before I draw it. So let's have fun. This is the pets right here, the fish. We'll show you a few of these. We won't show you too many. So this is like the step right here. This is the steps. Let me show you up like this so you can see 1 through 4 or no 5. And you have the little cute little fish at the end. I like the eye. And then you have this dog right here. That's really cool. The 2 circles. And you move on and make that little moon crescent shape. And then you have a cute little dog. So I'm going to show you the one I like in here. Look at that crazy rabbit. It looks crazy. Comment down below if you remember that movie called Who Framed Roger Rabbit. That's a definitely 80s movie. If you're an 80s kid, you know what I'm talking about. But also, I love drawing turtles. I draw a turtle a couple times. So this is a turtle. I didn't draw it like this. So this is an easier way, in my opinion. It looks so cute. This is the turtle right there. So let's move on and we'll show you some more another day in these books. I'm going to take these books out and draw one of these characters at another date. So I like the mouse. I did draw a mouse at one time too, so that was fun. Let's move on, you guys. Let's move on to the next books right here. I want to show you. I have fun showing you pets. Left. What do you want to do? Sea Life? There's 2 the same, so we'll just do over here farm animals. And comment down below if you live on a farm or have seen farm animals or been on a farm. I just want to know. So let's get started on this farm. As usual, let's look at the cover of a little animal, of a cow. This cow looks cool. Let's open up Farm Life. As usual, these are all things you need. The tools. Every artist should have this. If you don't have it, Dollar Tree is a place to go get them. They have nice crayons, markers, color pencils, stuff you can use just to start out. So this is a start out video for us art students for going back to art school. So if you're a beginner artist, this is the video for you. This will help you out. Look at the chickie. I don't know how to draw a chickie though, a baby chick. I'll show you a few of them. Yeah, let's do that. There is the chicken. A pig. I don't know how to draw pigs very well. Look at that pig. Look at the colored version. And then, I love a duck. I did draw a duck several times. So I can't wait to do this one right here. This duck. This is one of my favorite ones in here. Farm animals. Little ducks and little chickies. So cool when they're babies. Until they grow up and do whatever they gotta do. But I love this book. It's such a simple way to learn how to draw. It gets you excited by art as a young kid, a young artist. I love it. So much fun. Or here's the cow. Let's just show you that one that's already colored in. The steps are really cool. And then the mouse again. I love drawing. I did draw a mouse before. It was hard to draw. Oh my goodness. This seems like it's simple. It is not. Oh my goodness. Drawing this mouse was hard. Not this one version, but I did draw one. And then a rooster. Rooster's really cool. And then you have a horse. Horses are cool to look at. I don't know. I drew a horse a couple times and it was just like this, but just a little tweaking. It could be better, just like the one over here, all colored in. But it was hard to draw, you guys. I couldn't believe how hard it was to draw. And here's a goat. Here's the goat in the 5 steps. Most of these have 5 steps in it. So, ooh, cool, right? And the farmer at the end. It's so cool. So let's move on. Oh, I'm going to show you this little colored version of it. Isn't that cool? So let's move on to the next one, you guys. I hope you have fun watching this video. Like I said, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. I said this two, the same book. It says this is I Draw Sea Life, and this is another draw book called Learn to Draw Sea Life, and they have the same exact stuff in there. So we'll be looking at the covers of both, or we'll be looking at both books. We won't do both. So this cover is really cool of this cool octopus. Really shows you at the bottom how to do it. 4 steps. Over here shows you more of the sea life, seahorse, the clownfish, all this cool stuff, the dolphin, the starfish, and this jellyfish. So I'm going to do this one. This is more kid friendly. I think it looks cute, but it's not just for kids. But I like both covers, so we'll move that to the side. We'll show both of them in a minute what they look like at the beginning. So see at the beginning right there. Let's do like this so I can show you both at the beginning. See? Same exact. Oops, open that book. Same exact stuff. See that? They're all the same. So we're not gonna show you that one. Let's do this one right here. So the first thing we're gonna see is an angelfish. Angelfish are really cool. I love how this looks. It's fun and exciting to learn how to draw fish. I've drawn fish all my life, but they're not the best fish, you guys. So this is a good way to start to learn how to draw fish for us who don't know how to draw fish. Angelfish. And then you have clownfish. And this is from Finding Nemo. I did draw a clownfish a long time ago. It was not the best, you guys. But this shows you how to do it step by step. And if you haven't seen Finding Nemo, it's a Disney movie. Go watch it. It's fun. I love it. And Finding Dory is just as good as the first one. And we have Free Willy. It's a dolphin. No, I'm just kidding. That was a whale. But this is so cute, right? I love dolphins. They're fun to look at SeaWorld. If you go to SeaWorld, I've never been to SeaWorld, but it'd be fun to see it. And I see them on TV. And I love jellyfish, but they're deadly, I think. Am I right? They kind of sting you. So you got to be careful. Yeah, they're deadly. So you got to be careful. This is a cute way to do a jellyfish, though. I just love it how it looks. I tried to draw this a couple weeks ago, and it was a gaga mess. It was terrible, you guys. Look how cute it looks at the end. So this is an octopus. I don't like octopuses, but they're in the ocean, so cool, right? 8. And my favorite, besides the jellyfish, is the seahorse. I'm learning how to draw a seahorse because I have reasons why I won't tell you in this video, but yay, I love a seahorse. So cute. I love it. So tiny. They're really tiny, like that small. I saw them at a pet store one time. And I love drawing sea turtles. I drew a couple of those. And they don't look too bad. It looks kind of like this, the way I drew it. So, yay. Starfish is cool. And then you have stingray and a shark. And we're done. And that's all I'm going to show you for these art books. And I'll talk to you at the end of the video, guys. I had so much fun showing these books. These are such a good way to learn how to draw. So thank you so much. And comment down below if you like it. So did you enjoy it? Did you love it? Did you learn anything new about all these books from Dollar Tree? That you can buy inexpensive, cool, amazing art books from a dollar store? Well, if you did, give me a like, subscribe to your friends, but I'm Dee Dee Scraps, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun showing all these amazing art books you got here from $1 to $1.25 when they used to be $1. Now they're $1.25 now, but you can still find these books at Dollar Tree. I found all these books there because I'm learning how to draw still. And if you're going back to art school, you're going to love these books because this will help you out learn how to draw dogs and cats and wild animals and fun sea animals and learn how to draw some amazing big machines. And I had so much fun drawing and creating things. And one day we're going to do some artwork out of one of these books. It's going to be so much fun. So hopefully you have fun watching this video as much as I did. I have a lot of fun showing you these amazing art books that you can buy for your kids or yourself, your grandkids, whoever wants to draw. Thank you so much. I had a great day today, and it's still summer, you guys. Go out and draw something. Go create something. I hope you have fun looking at this video, and keep crafting no matter what, because it's sketch artist Fridays.